everybody, today we're going to work on lesson 14-2 in your math book, and it starts on page 753. So on page 753 it starts with a question. Now we're not going to answer the question, we're just going to kind of let you think about it as we talk about these pages. It says, are all these figures the same kind of shape? Explain how you know. So here's all these shapes, and they want to know, are these all the same kind of shape? So we'll come back and look at that later. Let's go ahead and turn to page 754. Up at the top, it asks the same question. Are these all the same kind of shape? Shapes are defined by the number of straight sides and vertices, and whether they are closed or not. So this blue one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and it's closed. All of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's closed. These are all the same shape because they all have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So this one says this is a closed shape. It has 4 vertices and 2 pairs of sides that are the same length. This shape is a rectangle. So not just are we looking at the number of sides, but we're looking at the size of the sides. And these 2 sides are the same size, and these 2 are the same. Same thing over here. These 2 are the same. 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 So shapes are not defined by color. We don't care what color they are. If you notice, all these shapes are blue, but they're not the same shape. Okay, this one is a rectangle. This one's a circle, and this one's a hexagon. Doesn't matter what color. It matters what shape it is. Shapes are not defined by size or position. Notice these are all different colors. That's okay. They're still rectangles. Notice one's standing up, one's laying down, and one's kind of crooked. Doesn't matter. They all have 4 sides. They all have 2 sides that are long and 2 sides that are shorter. So these are all rectangles, no matter what color or how they're sitting on the page. All right, it says circle the words that are true for this shape. So all squares. Do all squares have to be blue? Can we have yellow squares? Sure we can. So that one is not true. Do all squares have 4 equal sides? Do they all have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and all their sides the same? Yes, they must have that. Are they all closed? Well, can you see an animal getting out of here? No, they are all closed. Are they all small? Well, I could have a square that looks like this. I could have a square that looks like this, right? So they could be any size. So the size doesn't matter. Okay. It is time for you to do your independent practice, pages 755 and 756. If you want to do your own, go ahead and pause the video, and when you're done, push play. If you want to do it with me, go ahead and just keep the video rolling. Number 2, the directions for number 2 say, circle the words that are true for each shape. So number 2, we have a triangle. It says, all triangles have 3 sides. Yes, they do. I can have different kinds of triangles, but they're all going to have 3 sides. Do they all have to have 3 equal sides? Well, this one's long and this one's short. No, they don't always have to be the same size. Are they all tall? Well, that one's tall. That one's not, but they're still triangles. So no, they do not all have to be tall. Do they all have to be orange? Can I have a purple triangle? You bet I can. So they do not have to be orange. The only thing that triangles have to have, according to this, is 3 sides. How about all circles? Are all circles blue? No, we can have any color circle. Do they all have 0 vertices, 0 points, 0 corners? Yes. Are they all small? Do they all have to be tiny like that? Or can we have big circles? Yes, they do not need to be small. Do they have 0 straight sides? Yes, every circle is not going to have any straight sides. Tim says that this is a triangle. Is he correct? Tell why or why not. Well, he would be correct except that this shape is open. So he is not correct because the shape is open and a triangle must be closed. All right, let's turn to page 256. Number 5. Do all triangles have equal sides? Circle yes or no. Well, let's see. If I just draw, let's see if I can draw a triangle that has long sides and a short side. Is that a triangle? Yes, it is. Do they all have to be the same size? No. Okay, choose a tool to show how you know. Well, I could use my paper clip, and I see that the tall sides are almost the size of the paper clip, but the little side is much shorter, so I can tell that they are not the same size. Jake says both of these objects are hexagons because they are closed and have 6 straight sides and are red. Do you agree? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, these are actually both hexagons because a hexagon must have 6 sides. They must be closed, which they are. Now, the only thing that Jake said that I don't agree with is he said they're red, which is true. But they can be any color at all as long as they have 6 straight sides and are closed. Okay, so yes, those are actually both hexagons, even though they look so different. And it says match each shape with the word that describes it. So now we have to try to remember what these different shapes would look like. Okay, a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to draw a little rectangle next to it. Won't be perfect, but it's close. Okay, does it have 3 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it has 4 vertices. How about a circle? Does it have 3 vertices? Nope. How about 4 vertices? Nope. No sides or vertices. Yep. And then the triangle, 1, 2, 3 vertices over there. All right, it is time for you to do your homework now on pages 757 and 758. When you're done, ask an adult to check it for you or take a picture and send it to your teacher. Bye-bye.